How to connect JBL Tour Pro 3 to iPhone. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your JBL Tour Pro 3 earbuds to your iPhone in just a few easy steps. Whether you're setting them for the first time or having trouble connecting, this quick guide will help you get everything working smoothly. Let's get started. Step 1. Charge and prepare your earbuds. Make sure your JBL Tour Pro 3 earbuds are charged. Place them in the case and confirm the case has battery too. Step 2. Open the case to enter pairing mode. Open the case lid. The earbuds should automatically go into pairing mode. If not, press and hold the button on the case or on both earbuds for about 5 seconds until the LED starts flashing blue or white. Step 3. Turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone. On your iPhone, go to Settings and Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Step 4. Connect to the earbuds. Wait for JBL Turbo 3 to appear under other devices. Tap it on it to connect. You will hear a tone in the earbuds or see the light stop flashing when you're connected. Step 5. Test the connection. Now, play some music or open a video to check if the sound is coming through the earbuds. Bonus tip. Next time, just open the case near your iPhone and they will connect automatically. And that's it. This was the quick tutorial on how to connect your JBL Tour Pro 3 to your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.